guys, welcome back. So I'm getting started with this two nail polishes here. One of them is more of a pinky nude and the other one's more of a brown nude. So I'm going to be using both of them. I'm layering the brown nude first. I'm doing one layer and then I'm going to be doing one layer of the pink nude. Okay, so now I'm going to be using this orange gel polish. Now I'm creating a French tip and I'm also going to be using some alcohol to clean the nail out, making sure that I can make it as clean as I can. And for this orange French tip, I'm going to be using the gold glitter. I'm going to be pouring it right in there. And then with the brush, I'm just going to be brushing off the excess glitter. And then I'm going to be layering a nice coat of top coat. The next polish is this neon green polish. And I'm just going to be doing the same thing, French tip, and then adding glitter. So for this one, I am going to be adding green glitter on top. And for my last polish, I'm using this nice bright purpley pink, and I'm going to be using purple glitter. Then I went ahead and made these Hocus Pocus wigs on my Cricut. And of course, I'm going to be adding a nice layer of top coat. So once nails are cured, I'm going to start adding some rhinestones. And this is how my nails turned out, guys. I did notice that I did put the wigs on backwards, but it's okay. I'm still going to be rocking these. They're still cute. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and that you guys like this set. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys on the next one.